Welcome to our channel. Today we will learn essential gardening vocabulary. Flower bed, a designated area in a garden for growing flowers. For example, the gardener planted tulips and daisies in the flower bed. Greenhouse, a glass or plastic structure used for growing plants in controlled conditions. For example, the tomatoes in the greenhouse grew faster due to the warm environment. Pruning, the act of cutting away dead or overgrown branches or stems to encourage growth. For example, it's important to prune the rose bushes in early spring. Seedling, a young plant, especially one grown from a seed. For example, the gardener carefully watered the seedlings to help them take root. Fertilizer, a substance added to soil to increase its fertility and promote plant growth. For example, we applied fertilizer to the lawn to make the grass grow greener. Hoe, a tool with a long handle and a flat blade used for breaking up soil and removing weeds. For example, he used the hoe to prepare the soil for planting new seeds. Lawnmower, a machine used to cut grass on lawns and gardens. For example, the lawnmower made quick work of trimming the overgrown grass. Pollination, the process by which pollen is transferred to enable plant reproduction. For example, bees play a crucial role in the pollination of flowers in the garden. Hedge, a row of closely planted shrubs or bushes, often used as a boundary. For example, the hedge around the garden provides privacy and a natural barrier. Weeding, the act of removing unwanted plants from the garden. For example, she spent the morning weeding the garden to prevent the plants from being choked. Trellis, a framework of light wooden or metal bars used to support climbing plants. For example, the vines quickly covered the trellis, creating a natural green wall. Gardening gloves, protective gloves worn while working in the garden. For example, she always wears gardening gloves to protect her hands from thorns and dirt. Watering can, a container with a spout, used for watering plants. For example, she filled the watering can and gave the flowers a gentle shower. If you like our video, then subscribe our channel.